Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long range weather forecast discussion for July 8th to the 20th. Models are continuing the idea of a transition to a low amplified pattern across the nation for July 8th to the 12th. The pattern will revert back to an eastern Pacific trough, a west central North American ridge, and an eastern North American trough. Here's our current weather outlook. We still have our ridge here over the western Atlantic, causing hot and humid conditions here in the east, and we have our heat ridge causing extreme hot across the western U.S. But this may change later on as we go through the next couple of days, especially here in the east. Areas of precipitation during this period will be the southwest with the monsoonal moisture and a polar front east of the Rockies and easterly waves tracking across Florida. The rebuilding of the ridge over the west will lead to above normal temperatures. Temperatures are expected to be above normal across the Central Plains and the northern Mid-Atlantic and New England. Temperatures are expected to be near normal across the remainder of the east. So now we're going to look at the period for July 11th to the 15th, and the assembles depict an eastward progression of the circulation features for July 11th to the 15th. The global assembles agree on the pattern consisting of a trough off the west coast, a ridge over the western plains, and a trough in the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, near normal here due to the trough just offshore, above normal temperatures for northern New England, and below normal temperatures for this region here. For precipitation, expecting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. Now, also I want to know, here's our Bermuda high, and I think what's going to happen here, you're going to see like a trough will set up and bring back some of the moisture riding up along the ridge as we go forward. This is 12Z Saturday, still nothing. Then we go to 12Z Saturday, and then we go to 18Z Saturday, and here's our trough setting up here. Then we go to 0Z Sunday, the trough is still there. 12Z Sunday, the trough is still oriented in a northeast southwest direction, and we go to 0Z Monday, still the same way, and I think this is going to bring some relief here in the east. Okay, so still forecasting a low amplitude flow, but the assembles indicate an amplified pattern for June 16th to the 20th. Otherwise, little change expected from the previous period. So during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation here as moisture rises up along the east coast and interacts with that trough. So that is the long-range weather. And also want to meet. There's another note. The European long-range models depict hot and dry conditions in the west and cool and wet in the east. Near seasonal temperatures are expected in the west by the end of the month. By I would say like the last week, the 29th of July. It might get a little cooler there. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for July 8th to 20th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.